Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn where you can find the link to your library on Adobe Bridge. For example, if you'd like to share it with your co-editors and contacts and invite them to work with you on your assets here. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to Adobe Bridge on your device and next click into libraries here at the top. Next, what you want to do is go through the list of libraries, right click into the given one and select get a link here. You will then be redirected to your Adobe account via a web browser. So make sure that you're logged in. And here guys, you will be also redirected to the given libraries here, for instance. So what you want to do is click into share here in the top right. And then you will see this button, copy link. So here you may click into it, copy to your clipboard, and here also select the accessibility. For example, anyone with the link can be given access to the given library, or only invited users. So you may set an accessibility here, and that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.